Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to zoom Chrome on your laptop. It's a simple process that can greatly improve your browsing experience. Whether you need to make text larger for readability or shrink a page to see more content, Chrome offers several easy ways to adjust the zoom. We'll cover the most common methods, ensuring you can always view web pages exactly how you prefer. Let's get started and make your browsing more comfortable. Keyboard shortcuts are the quickest way to adjust your zoom. To zoom in, simply hold down the Control key and press the plus sign. If you want to zoom out, hold Control and press the minus sign. And if you ever need to return to the default size, just press Control and 0. These shortcuts work on most operating systems and are incredibly convenient for quick adjustments. Another straightforward method is using the Chrome menu. Look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser window and click them. In the drop-down menu, you'll see a zoom section. Here, you can click the plus button to increase the zoom or the minus button to decrease it. This visual approach is great if you prefer using your mouse or trackpad. For a more permanent change, you can set a default zoom level for all websites. Go to Chrome Settings by clicking the 3 dots and selecting Settings. Then, in the left-hand menu, click Appearance. You'll find a page zoom option where you can select your desired default percentage. This ensures every new page opens at your preferred size, saving you from constant adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.